marites dyan, yung mga marites tayo. Para maging strategic partner or maging trusted advisor kay client, we always make chismis kay client. Client, alam mo, pwede natin gawin ganito, ganyan. Uy, client, alam mo, narinig ko sa iba na sa mga, let's say, sa colleagues natin na parang gusto nila ng out of town or gusto nila ng team building. Pag-uwi natin to. So you have to be someone na hahanapan nila ng information, makukuha na nila ng information. So you have to be there to always make good chismis. Huwag naman yung bad chismis. Always make good chismis to your client that will improve your life and your business nila. So always position yourself as a trusted advisor. Paano mo mapaposition yan? Paano ka magiging trusted advisor? Kailangan yung position mo, hindi ka lang makikipag-usap sa kliyente mo, kailangan mo ipasok yung sarili mo, makikipagkaibigan ka sa mga colleagues. Para at least alam mo din, narinig mo ano yung mga requests nila, ano yung mga hinahin nila, and then you will start advising your client. Oh, this is what I hear from, let's say, from the marketing department, from the finance department, and then ito yung mga pwede natin gawin. So you become a trusted advisor.